Expenses. Learn how to record and manage expenses in Zoho Books to keep your business finances accurate and organized. This tutorial explains how to add new expenses, categorize spending, attach receipts, and monitor where your money goes. Proper expense tracking helps improve financial management, reporting, and profit analysis. There are two types of expenses, billable and non-billable. We will go to expenses. You can select purchases module and select expenses. You can view the life cycle of an expense, expense incurred, record expense. There are two ways, billable and non-billable. If you select billable, you can convert to invoice and get reimbursed from your customer. First, we will discuss non-billable expenses. You can go to purchases, select expenses. By clicking this new button or by clicking this plus mark, you can add new expense. You can select your location. If you have enabled location, select the date. You can select the expense account. Here we will select postage and you can enter the amount. If taxes available, you can select tax inclusive or tax exclusive. If this price is without tax, you can select tax exclusive. After that, you can select paid through account, from which account you are paying. I select petty cash account. You can select tax type here and you can select vendor. After that, you can enter if there's any invoice for this postage. You can enter the invoice number and you can enter the description. After that, you can save your expense. Furthermore, if you want, you can upload your receipt or payment for this petty cash postage from here. By clicking this upload your file, you can upload if you want. Then you can select reporting tax. After that, you can save your expense. In next video, we will discuss how to enter billable expense.